Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. I'm here in Mega Mall. I'm gonna watch a Final Destination Bloodlines in IMAX Theater. I told you guys and girls, I want to be one of the first to watch this terrific and horrifying and gory, lots of violence, and my ever-loving, one of my favorite movie, Final Destination. It's already on the 6th. You know what guys and girls, I supposed to, actually I do already have a plan to watch for this day what's this, Thunderbolts. And since that I was surprised this late afternoon that the Bloodlines Final Destination is already showing in theaters, and actually it's a sneak preview only for this day and tomorrow. So whichever comes first, or whichever the showing right now here in Mega Mall, I'm gonna watch either it's Thunderbolts or Final Destination 6, since that I'm already here. And that for me not to waste my time on coming here. And actually guys, I want to watch it on the 3D version, that's why. So regardless of the time that I'm gonna consume here and the money that I've spent for the transportation in LRT, and regardless if it is 750, although it goes with drink and hot dog bun, so I'll take it for me to satisfy my desire on watching that kind of film. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. How I wish that there's a Final Destination 6 here upstairs in IMAX Theater. Otherwise I'm gonna felt disappointed if there's no Final Destination IMAX here. Let's just cross our fingers that there's a Final Destination upstairs. And then before I forgot, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother and Bicol Fe Abordo, to my sister Christine, Helen Carreto, my childhood friend in San Roque, Legazpi City. Thank you for watching. To all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Here we are. Thank you so much for watching. And to all my lovely countries, Philippines, of course, on the #1 spot. Sorry. United States, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, China, Iraq, who else? Indonesia, and to each and every one of you. Okay. Oh gosh, some kind of a. Just wait. Okay, hold on.